Is an OET taken abroad accepted by the NMC?
Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're discussing the Occupational English Test and its acceptance by the UK's Nursing and Midwifery Council, or NMC. If you're an international healthcare professional aiming to work in the UK, this video is for you. The OET is an English language test specifically designed for healthcare professionals. It assesses proficiency in listening, reading, writing, and speaking in medical contexts, ensuring that you can communicate effectively in English in healthcare settings. For the OET, the NMC requires the following minimum scores. Listening, Grade B, 350 or above. Reading, Grade B, 350 or above. Writing, Grade C+, 300 or above. Speaking, Grade B, 350 or above. The NMC accepts various formats of the OET, including OET on paper at a test venue, OET on computer at a test venue, OET at home, the computer-based test taken from your residence. This flexibility allows candidates to choose the best format that suits their circumstances. And now, to answer our main question. Yes, absolutely. The NMC accepts OET results regardless of the country where the test was taken. Whether you complete the OET in your home country or elsewhere, as long as you meet the required scores, your results are valid for NMC registration. In summary, the OET is a recognized and accepted English language test for NMC registration, regardless of where you take it. Ensure you meet the necessary scores, and you'll be one step closer to practicing as a healthcare professional in the UK. We hope this video has clarified your queries about the OET and its acceptance by the NMC. Thanks for watching.
More updates are on the way. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates on the syllabus and materials on OET. Stay tuned for insightful videos.